ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Sairam, our Guru always mentioned that the genuine love is the true devotion. Genuine love in the sense that should be the utmost love the one can provide to any other human being. That is if you love your Guru very much, so what he needs is your utmost love, what you can offer him. And that will be the only devotion, not your mantras or the way of any other things, any other type of pariharas and all. The main thing is that what he needs is that true love towards him. So love is the only one thing which binds all the living creatures together, which you can notice in your lifetime, from a dog to anybody else. If you feed a dog, you can very well see that loves you, how much it loves you every day, like that. If you take care of that pet, how much it takes care of you, how much it loves you. Even I have noticed in many other stories that many incidents that the pet animals have saved their owners in distress. So it means that what? That even though we don't have a language to communicate with those pet animals, it loves us very much. A true example I can tell you from Ganapati's Bhakta, and his name was Nambiyandar Nambi. He lived around 9th century. Around 9th century to 10th century he lived. When he was a small boy, his father is a priest in a Ganpati temple. So he used to go along with his father to do puja for Ganpati and come back. One day it so happened his father fell sick, and the father asked him to take the Naivedyam, Yani Prasad, to go and to do the puja for Ganpati and come back. So the boy, about 7 years old, he took the prasada to the Ganpati temple, and after doing archana and all, he wanted, surprisingly, he wanted the Ganpati to eat the prasada, because it was he presenting that prasada with true love to him. But as everyone knows what we do, we just put the prasadam, we do naivedyam and all, we take it back and we eat it ourselves. But the boy didn't get that point actually, and he was waiting there for Ganpati to taste that prasada and leave the left for him. So Ganpati, after so many requests from the boy, he pitied the boy. He just kept his trunk and ate all the prasadas. So he brought the empty pot. He brought the empty pot to the home back to show that and to tell their parents that Ganpati have eaten all the prasad what he have given me. The parent didn't believe it, and they wanted to check this boy by sending him alone for a few days. It so happened every time he returned with the empty pots, saying that Ganpati have eaten all the prasad. So to understand that, one day the parents go behind the boy, and for their great astonishment they notice that Ganpati is making his presence in before the boy, and he is taking that prasad from his trunk, and it was visible for that parents also, luckily for them, on that particular day. Then they understood what is the true devotion means. Anything is presented to Lord with true devotion, it will be definitely accepted by the Lord by all means. So, what is needed here and what we have to understand is that we have to submit our total love to the Almighty or Guru. Sai Ram.
ॐ श्री